Hello everyone, welcome to our show. Today I'm going to try pomegranate jam. I've got the pomegranate here. Let's try to cut it. There are many ways to cut it, and let's start with the most recommended way, and that is to cut it on top carefully. And then try to open this top layer. And now make a cut on the side. Wherever you see these layers, just try to cut here. Just a deep cut. Okay. So let me cut it again. Try to open it. Take this thing, keep it. Let's try to open the fruit. Okay. Take a spoon and try to hit it as hard as possible until all the seeds fall off. Okay, we are done. So I've got all the seeds here. Now let's put it in a mixer and juice it. I've grinded the seeds, filtered the juice. Our pomegranate juice is ready. Our next ingredient for the jam is sugar. So let's say if we have a 1 cup of juice, we need at least 3/4 of sugar, and also we need little bit of lemon juice, and key ingredient to our jam will be pectin. So this pectin powder, it gives that jelly nature to the jam. Yesterday I tried without adding this pectin powder, and my jam became like little hard and that jelly nature was not there. So today I've decided to try using with the help of pectin powder. So to begin with, I've kept a vessel and I'm turning on the heat. Now we need to heat our pomegranate juice on a medium flame. So we have to heat it until you see that first bubble. Don't overheat it. Until that first bubble, we have to heat it on a medium flame. Adding our lemon juice, and then let's add our pectin powder. So I'm adding 1 spoon of pectin powder. And keep stirring it until you see that first heat bubble, and then we can add sugar. So this will take at least like 3 to 4 minutes on a medium flame, and keep stirring it. So it's been a while and I can see those heat bubbles got formed. So now it's time to add sugar. So I'm adding sugar slowly and constantly stirring our juice. So now we need to be very careful. We cannot overheat it. So just wait for 1 minute or until you see that first heat bubble. So the moment you see that heat bubble, just allow it for another 30 seconds and then we can turn it off. So need to be very careful, don't allow it to get boil for long duration. Now our juice is boiled well. I can see those heat bubbles. Okay, I'm going to turn it off in 30 seconds. And also the foam that is getting formed, I'm going to remove it and throw it away. Okay, so I'm going to turn off the heat and just clear off this foam. So now, okay, check it out and pour it in a glass bottle. So let it cool for a couple of minutes and then we can close off with the lid and leave it untouched for another 7 to 8 hours at least, and then our jam will be ready. So just to cool it down, I'm going to keep it in normal water for 5 minutes and then I will take it out, close it with the lid, and I will leave it untouched for another 7 to 8 hours. So it's been 5 minutes. I'm taking it out of water, closing it with a lid, and I'm going to keep it in a room temperature for 7 to 8 hours and let's see what happens. So it's been 8 hours, so let's open and check how our jam is. So let me open it. Okay, it looks good. Yeah, see how it is. Nice. Okay, let me open this as well and check how it is. Okay, this is also looking good. Let's try it in a spoon. Wow, check this. How it is. Nice. Can you see that? Wow. Okay. Let me keep it here. Wow. Okay. And now let's check this one. Wow, this also. See how it is. Wow, this came really well.